Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Mechanic Falls, Maine. It is supposed to get up above freezing. I think it's in about 23 maybe degrees, 24 maybe right now. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. And yesterday, before I went to the dump, I put my battery charger, my yard sale battery charger that I got for $5 many years ago, on my car battery. It was dead. It wouldn't, that was it. So I put it on the charger and left it there till about 8 o'clock last night. And at 8 o'clock I went out and took it off, and I started it up at that point. It started, it's like, okay, that's a good thing. And it got down, I don't know how cold it got last night, right around 0, I would say. It was, I think, 1 degree when we got up at 6:30 this morning. So it got down maybe a little below 0, probably right around 0. And I thought, well, so today we're having my birthday party is today. My birthday was Friday, but today was a better day for the whole family to get together. So they're coming over we're having a ham dinner, ham and potato and vegetables, and ooh, I have a chocolate cake that's going to be delicious. Chocolate with coffee and frosting with coffee, and ooh, I love chocolate. I love strong chocolate. Anyway, we're going to have fun at 1 o'clock, a couple hours from now. So anyway, I went out just a few minutes ago and cleaned off the back steps. There had been some ice buildup. Our house was not designed well for this climate. The roof over the kitchen area drips right out onto the back step, and it never gets sunshine this time of year. So it just ices up. So I put salt and sand on it last night and went out and just chipped away almost all of it. Some of it's still there, but I'm hoping it goes away as the weather warms up. So I went out and did that first, and then I thought, okay, I'm going to see if my car will start. And it did. It started beautifully. So I'm letting it run for a few minutes to warm it up and charge the whatever the alternator gauge is showing that it's charging. I don't know why it died. I think it just died with me trying to start it when it was cold, and it just never came back. I didn't run it enough to get it back. So hopefully it'll stay, at least for a while. I keep that jumper battery in there just in case. So yeah, so now the table's all set, which is one of my responsibilities when we have, well, one that I take. Thelma would do it, but I generally set the table up. We've got like a serving table that we set up over where our wood stove is that we don't use. We have a nice heating table that sits there, electric one that her folks bought decades ago. We're talking 70 years ago probably, I don't know. Still works. Salton, S-A-L-T-O-N, I think is the brand. Still works great, so we use it for big dinners. So we're having ham, because, see, a lot of people have ham on Easter. Well, certain members of our family, not to be mentioned, would prefer not to have ham on Easter. So we have turkey. We have turkey on Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Easter. So, you know, I've been thinking about what do I want for and I've been thinking, you know, fried chicken would be nice, and this, and I'm thinking, you know what? Let's have ham. It's my birthday, I can have anything I want. So we bought a big ham yesterday over at Hannaford, 9.5 pound ham, butt cut, so it's like, oh yeah, that's gonna be good, that's gonna be good. And then have all that chocolate for dessert with ice cream. We got 3 different kinds of chocolate, coffee, and mint chocolate chip, which seems to be the favorite amongst most of our family. I almost bought 2 of them, because you can't even get a half a gallon of ice cream anymore, come on. Charge a little more, but sell it by the half gallon. These little buckets of ice cream don't last long when you have a big family. I almost bought 2 of them. I thought, nah, I'm going to get some coffee and some chocolate. So we got 3 different kinds of ice cream to go with my chocolate on coffee cake. And don't you wish you could be here, huh? You're not invited. So if you're driving by, one of my neighbors just went by, and I think she watches these. She would help me out here on the porch, and I waved. But she and her family have some dietary problems. problems, so maybe super duper chocolate and coffee isn't a good thing for them. Come on over if you want. Have a good day.